What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. If you have any ideas or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to properly set up your grill if you like to grill. And this is for beginners. If you already know how to set your grill up, this video is not for you. So to get right into it, you guys come here. If you have a basic grill like this, you want to make sure that you open up your vents. All right, you're going to have one at the bottom like this. Open it. You're going to have one at the top. Okay. And this is one of my favorite type of grills. I've been using these grills. This is the first grill I've learned how to use. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is put in our briquettes or our coals. Now, once we put in our coals, you want to put them in a mound or pyramid form. All right. And if you don't know, they give you the instructions in the back. So if you hear anybody tell you their strategies or whatnot, follow the instructions first. I'm just pretty much walking you through it. If some people don't like to read or some people just don't know how to, and that's just being honest. I'm gonna walk you through it. All right. So we put our briquettes in here. Don't take a lot of them. Real time here. And I have a mixture of these balls here that the Ddins team ball up for me, and I only use these just to help with the ignition. It doesn't do anything more fancy, just to help with the ignition of starting. And each layer of the pyramid, I put a little bit of my lighter fluid on there. You want the lighter fluid to get in there real good. Now I like to grab some long pieces, these long pieces here, just to help with the safety of lighting my grill. That way you don't have to be up close to it. You guys will see how that works out. I'm gonna add a little bit more lighter fluid. Simple process. This smolder now here. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the lighter fluid really soak into our coals, and then we're going to go ahead and light it up. But until then, quick facts. How long have people been grilling or barbecuing? The beginning of grilling dates back to the 17th century. When you look at the Awak tribe in the Caribbean islands and South America, these people put sticks over a flame and put meat on it. They called this form of cooking barbacoa. Pretty cool. All right, family. So that's been 10 minutes now. We let the liquid soak into our coals here. So we're going to go ahead and light this up. And you're going to see the smoke trickle down until it starts to smoke. Until then, we're going to listen to some flame on montage. All right, family. So if you come over here with me, we can look at our coals. So after about 10-15 minutes, this is what we're looking for. And after we're looking for the coals to have that the gray charcoal look to them. This is how you know it's ready to go. And at this point, all you do is you spread them out evenly, just as such. And your grill is ready to go. The point of this video was to show you guys how to properly set up a grill. But however, I wouldn't be a chef if I didn't show you what I am grilling. So today we have some steak shish kebabs. I got baby bella mushrooms with black and blue, green, yellow, orange bell pepper with some onion on there. We about to have it going. All right. Okay, so thank you for joining me again today, you guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.